introduction. Series introduction, another 30 minutes it takes actually, just 30 minutes. After that, the next topic name is so called as a N, none value, none introduction, I guess, none values. The next one will be series attributes. What exactly, sir? Series attributes actually. Series attributes. The next one methods. It's okay. So we can today this is enough. So it's a 08. I'm sorry. Okay. This we already done, Sarji. This is the running one currently. Now, series introduction, none value, none introduction. That's still okay. The date is 0. Chavan sir, 8 actually. Matching.
मां साउंड दे कितना है साउंड दे किच
Yesterday whole session I can repeat one more time so that we can connect for today's session very nicely. Okay, good. Let me continue. A small recap which is related to the Python. Python is important, sir. Python is what, Sarji? Important. Don't take light actually. Very, very important. You cannot, don't ask like, how much important actually. Frankly speaking, if you are very good in Python, total data science is easy. Maybe end of this session or during the session, I will tell one example. You will understand the power of Python actually. One example. Okay, example. How are you, sir? Good to see you back. All right. Yeah, all right. Python is important. So end of the session or else during session, I will give one small example. You will understand. So don't neglect and ignore the Python actually. Daily do the revision for Python. Anyway, the regular topics is moving on. Do revision for Python actually. In Python, we can create a function. Once you create a function, then what we need to do? We need to call the function. This we already know. While you are calling the function, right? Daniel. So while calling the function, we need to, so the name should be match. Otherwise, name error. What error, sir? Name error. If a function having parameter, then we need to pass while calling the function. If imagine you have created a function having parameter, then whenever you are calling that function, you need to pass the value. You need to provide the value actually, right? Next point. If a function having return statement, first of all, syntactically that is valid actually. Then that function calling, we need to assign into variable. That function calling, we need to assign into Daniel, why variable actually? Furtherly, you can use that one. Further, so that variable can capture the value. In further, you can use that value. That's what you need to be understand. Next point will be, this is the OOPS related discussion. We can create a class. We can create a method inside of the class. And we can even create a constructor. We can even create word such a constructor. Can I include one more point? We can create an object to the class. Am I right? Chapan sir? We can create object to a class actually. Object to what exactly, sir? Class. Right. The next one. Yeah, good. So we need to call method by using object name.
Yeah.
We need to call method by using what, sir? Object name. And constructor will be executed during object creation. Imagine there is a class. There is a constructor. Now counter question. At what time constructor will execute actually? Simple. During object creation, constructor will execute automatically. Constructor will execute. That's it. No further discussion. We can access instance variable by using object name. Instance variable, also called as attributes actually, by using object name. By using what name, sir? Object. Keyword argument topic we can apply on function, constructor, method. One more time. Function, constructor, method actually. Now let us enter into the discussion. Like this daily, The same points I will recall again and again. Trust me, it will be registered in your brain automatically. Suddenly I will ask a question. At what time constructor will execute? During object
creation.
చెప్పండి సార్, during object creation. How to call method? By using object name actually. That's what you need to be understand, right? Yeah. Fine. Currently the running topic name is so called as a series introduction. What is the topic name? Series. This one is the second topic. In a first topic, pandas introduction I have explained. In a data science project, there is a one part. That part is called as a data analysis part actually. What is the part, sir? Data analysis. Simple. The data analysis means imagine every company having the data. That data, when I say last 5 years, last 10 years, that last 5 years is nothing but a happened events actual, kind of some historical information. Do you wanted to understand how the company business flow actually, how it went, either profits are growing, either profits are downing actually? Do you wanted to understand? That you can do by using data analysis actually. That you can do by using what, Saji? Data analysis. Do you wanted to implement data analysis by using pandas? Who can implement by using what, Saji? Pandas. Simple. Pandas is a Python package. So pandas is a Python package or library actually. What do you mean by that? Pandas was created by using Python coding. Listen carefully. By using what, Saji? Python. The creator of pandas is a master in Python actually. Master. Though he is very good in Python, then he is able to create a pandas actually. Make a note on this. Okay. After that, how to install pandas, sir? Pip install pandas. So I hope the command is working. If anybody it is not working, do let me know. I'm happy to help you. There is a one small step you need to perform actually. After that, when you're talking about the pandas having the powerful data structures. Chaptara, pandas having powerful data structure. One of the data structure is a series data frame panel. One more time.
Series data frame panel.
Right. Now the series discussion is moving on actually. Yeah. Maybe creating series. Did I cover that? Anyway, series introduction also let me give. Yeah, first point. Daniel, first of all, it is a data structure. It is what, Sarji? Data structure. The two one dimension data structure. One dimension data structure.
It is used to create one column.
What do you mean by one dimension data structure? It can store the data in a single column. It can store the data
in a single column.
In a single column format. Column format actually. Do you have a data only single column? Go to the series. Go to what, Saji? Why, Daniel? For more readability actually. For what, Saji? More readability. Sir, this point is important, sir. If it is important, how you can ignore actually? Series is a predefined class. Chaptara, sir. Series is a predefined class actually. Predefined class. Conclusion of the story. Daniel, we are learning pandas, okay? Inside pandas, get ready, there is a classes. One of the class name is a series. Then learn about the series class. Repeating again. Are you learning pandas? Yes, we are learning. Then inside pandas, there is a topic. Topic name is a class. What is the topic name? Then learn about the class actually. One of the class name is called as a series. One of the class name is called as a. Then go to the Python. I made it very clear picture. What is a class? How to create a class? Once class created actually, what we need to do? What are all operations we perform? In Python I covered actually. Where I covered, sir? Python. Are you clear? Good. Then let's continue. Right? It's the right time you guys need to understand. A small info. This is a kind of some small info for you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Keynote actually. The next one. What is the next one? Creating a series. Let us keep this one as a heading. Creating a series. Maybe yesterday with empty series who can create. Creating series. Yeah, empty series who can create, Sarji. The second one will be by using list we can create. Third one will be by using array we can create. By using what, Sarji? Array we can create. And the fourth one will be, so access a single column. Access what, Sarji? Single column from data frame. This is during DF we can see. When I say DF data frame. The next one, this is during NumPy we can see. Then both above we can see today. Yeah, all right. But remember this point. Can you read this point one more time? Series is a
predefined class.
One more time. Series is a
predefined class.
Predefined means already created. Class is already created. Then you should understand how to create a series. How to create an object to the series class. How to create what, Saji? Object to the series class. A class ni import cheskuni object ela create cheyalo meer nerchukovali. Okay? Yeah. Let's open a material. We are entering into the discussion. Series introduction. Oh, no. Series introduction. Let's move on. Creating empty series actually. Creating what, Sarji? Empty. I covered yesterday, but anyway, I would like to cover one more time. Empty series, right? If you wanted to work with series, first import pandas. First import what, Sarji? Pandas. Why? Because inside pandas, kind of some series is available. What is available? Series. S equals to pd dot series. S equals to what, Sarji? Pd dot series. See, creating empty series. Empty series means create object to series class. See, this statement is seriously awesome. అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యాక్చువల్. Hey Daniel, I wanted to create empty series. Nothing. Do you wanted to create empty series? Actually simple. Create an object to the series class. Create object to whom, sir? That's what we done actually. This whole line is called as object creation. Whole line is called as a object creation. I mean to say S is name of the object. And this series is a predefined class. Chappan sir, series is a predefined class. Please make a note actually. Predefined, make a note. LHS equals to RHS. Daniel, why you are giving PD? Why? Because sir, best example. Do you wanted to know my address actually? First you should know my father address. That's what you need to be. You should know my surname actually. Here also, for series, what is the surname? PD. That's what you need to be understand. Did you understand, sir? Right? Anyway, this point I already covered yesterday. Let me print this. Why these are all? Let me close this. Okay, that's what we done this one. Empty series. Hello, Daniel, I would like to check either it is series or not actually. Yeah, good. Go back to the Python. There is a one predefined function. Function name is a type. What is the function name, sir? Type. Then let me ask you one simple question. In my whole program, how many keywords I'm using? Very good. Thank God, I will cry if you didn't respond actually. Mali cheppandi, how many keywords? 2 keywords I'm using. In this program, how many keywords I'm using? That is my question actually. Yeah, what is the first one? Import. Next one, as. That's it. Writing a pandas program means using pandas keywords. Using Python keywords. What keywords, man? Python keywords. In whole program, how many classes would you have? One class. What is that class name? Series. How many objects? One object. What is that object name? Yes. How many functions? 2 functions. This you should answer, sir. Tell me. Print and next one, type. If anyone till date don't know, print is a function, type is a function, all the best for your career actually. మీ కెరీర్ కి మీరే బాధ్యులు యాక్చువల్గా, రైట్? వై? బికాస్ ప్రింట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్, టైప్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్. మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఐ కవర్డ్ సార్. ఐ రోర్ లైక్ ఏ డాగ్ యాక్చువల్. గట్టిగా అన్నిసార్లు అరిసాను నేను, రైట్? సార్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్లాస్, యూ కెన్ ఇగ్నోర్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ డిస్కషన్. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ అ సిరీస్ క్లాస్. వాట్ క్లాస్ యాక్చువల్లీ? సిరీస్ క్లాస్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? యా, లెట్స్ మూవ్. లెట్స్ టేక్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Move on. Now create a series with the data. I mean to say creating series by using list. Create series. Yeah, Daniel, series by using list. By using what exactly, man? List. Here we are using list to store the data. To store what, Sarji? Data actually. Then by this time you should know the list to data structure. By this time you should know what, Sarji? List to data structure. Go back to the our material. You can ప్రొజెక్టర్ ఇది హైడ్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఐ విల్ టాక్ విత్ అడ్మిన్ లేటర్. నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ ఐ విల్ మేనేజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, గుడ్. సార్, వై రెడ్ కలర్? Keyword actually. This I need to update. Here it should be object actually. What is object? We'll see later. Creating a series by using list. Yeah, get ready. Creating a series by using what, such? List actually. Good, get ready. Import pandas as a PD. Same story. Import pandas as PD. A equals to, let me take a list. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Sir, let me print A. First, let us work with the list data structure. By this time you should know. Creating a list. Yeah, Daniel, let's take this one. First, creating a list. Then what are all output you are getting, sir? I hope you know by this time. Good. First of all, please understand this one. We are getting data. Output is we are getting only the data. Chappan sir, only data మనకు వస్తుంది అంతే. రైట్. ఇండెక్స్ ఈస్ హిడెన్. ఇండెక్స్ ఈస్ వాట్ సర్జీ? హిడెన్. ఇండెక్స్ ఉంది కనిపించట్లేదు. ఇండెక్స్ ఈస్ ఇన్విజిబుల్. ఇండెక్స్ ఈస్ వాట్ సర్జీ? ఇన్విజిబుల్ యాక్చువల్. ఇన్విజిబుల్. Let me use nice statements. I would like to say hidden actually. And even data type is hidden. Data type also hidden. Data type also what Sarji? Hidden actually. Then why you are highlighting this one? Hold on Sarji, I will tell you. Cheptanu kada endu kangaru. Let me repeat again. You are printing list data structure. Then we are getting only the data. We are getting only what Sarji? Data. But what we are not getting, index is not getting. Then what we are not getting actually? Data type. By default, these two are not getting actually. Are you clear first of all? And that too, one more point. This is not column format data. This is not column format data. What format data, sir? Column format data. Can I add this word here in the next line actually so that you can get a very clear picture? Can I ask you one question? Whenever you are printing list, what we are getting? Data. What we are not getting? Two things you are not getting. What is the first one? Index and data type actually. But let me talk about the series data structure. Whenever you are printing the series data structure, three things you are going to get, sir. How many things actually? Three things. First one, data you are going to get. Second one, index is visible. Second one, index is not visible kada? Not visible. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Back to the session. Index is invisible. Data type also what exactly? Invisible actually. Yeah, good. Then it's the right time. Let me create thank you. Let me create a series by using list. Let me create a series. Create series. Chappan sir. Series by using list actually. By using what such a list. I will highlight. Hold on actually. Good. Come on. Import pandas as a PD. DF. No, not DF. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. We are good to go. Then create a series object. S equals to PD dot what such a series. If you are creating like this is called as empty series. This is called as what exactly, man? Empty series. But do one thing. Let us take this one and you can pass, during object creation, you are passing something here. Listen carefully. During object creation, we are passing something in between parentheses. Means backend there is very good. Backend there is a constructor. Backend there is a. Then you should know what is a constructor. That's what I covered in Python actually. If you are very good clear picture, what is a class, what is a constructor, the same terminology here I am using actually. Right? Now let me just try to print A actually. Yeah, Daniel. And even let me just try to print. What I need to print? Any idea? Chappan sir? Yes actually. Very good. Yes means we are trying to printing series object. What object, sir? One more time. What object? Very good. We are creating a series by using list data structure. Such a beautiful topic, sir. Excellent actually. Look at my screen. List data structure, only data it is displaying. That it is not even column format. Index is invisible. Data type is invisible. But whenever you are talking about the series data structure, what data structure, sir? Series data structure, you know what? Chappamantara? Let me explain actually. Yeah, Daniel. Sir, first we are getting data. Very nice. First output actually. Second output we are getting index. Actually. Third output, we are getting this whole data, integer data type. What data type? Integer data type. This one is the third. What is integer 64? I will tell you. Please be patient actually. Whenever you are printing the series, we are getting not only one output actually, we are getting a Chappan sir, 3 outputs. You need to remember this actually. That's what I'm highlighting. First one is data. Next one is index. Next one is data type. Inside the data, we are storing the data, right? That data type also is printing. How it is printing actually? Integer 64. Integer what, Sarji? 64. Hold on. I will talk about that one then. Okay. First, let me just try to take this example. Please be patient here. In output, you can see these are all. Daniel, do one thing. Print output also. Sure, sir. Output print cheyamantara? I will print actually. Points to be noted. గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన points. You're also same? ఏమరే చెప్పండి సార్, one by one. I need your help actually. We are getting data. We are getting the data. Sir, not only the data. This is what exactly, sir? This is column format data. What format actually? Column format, exactly. We are getting the data in the form of column. Kada? Columns we are getting actually. Go to the next one. Index is visible. Very nice. Chapan sir, what is the next one? Data type is visible actually. Such a beautiful actually. I would like to highlight these points, then you can easy to get an idea actually. We are getting the data. That too, this is column format data, and index is visible. Data type is what, Sarji? Visible. Let me talk about the data type. There is no change, but you need to understand this. Ikkada marpu em ledu, but you need to understand one small point. Okay. Online team, are you clear, sir? Are you following everybody? Online team, please respond. Yo, nobody is not responding. Let me drink water. Meanwhile, let me check the responses. Sudha garu, Divya madam. Yeah, good. Imagine, let us take a data. Let us take a data, and especially I am taking about one small number. That number will be 10. Can you tell me, sir, that number is what exactly? Set 10. Yeah, good, Daniel. Let us take a 10. And even I would like to take a kind of some string value. Daniel, I will take actually. The next one, floating values, I will take 1.23. The next one, I will take Daniel actually. Okay. Now it's the right time. I would like to represent here in Python how the 10 is representing the data type actually. In Pandas, how the data type is representing. Let me highlight actually. Sir, in Python, imagine there is a value. Value is a 10. If you are checking the data type, what is the data type notation? Integer. Chapandi? Int. Python follows shortest notation. That's what instead of integer, integer, shortest notation is int actual. But in Pandas, it is representing with int 64. In your computer, 32 bits and 64 bits. We can talk later. What is a bit actually? But in almost all computers is 64 bit. Guys, you are running your program in 64 bit. It is touching the hardware processor also. That's the beauty actual. It is storing the data in the form of 64 bit actual. Are you clear or not, sir? Right? Now imagine 1.23. What is the value, Chiptara? Float. And here it is what exactly? Float 64. Float what, such? 64 actually. I will show you that example also. Are you clear, man? Yeah, move on. Let us take a Daniel. Let me store Daniel. In Python, it is a string. It is what, Saji? String. Previously, one student told str of 64 actually. No. It's not like str64. In Pandas, it is representing with object. In Pandas, it is representing with almost it is a string. We will discuss later. But remember this one actually. Malli repeat chestan chudandi. Are you playing with the data type? Yeah, Daniel. In Python, 10 is representing with integer. But in Pandas, it is representing with 64. It's not entire question, but awareness. Make idea undali. 1.23. In Python, it is representing with Chapan sir, float. But in Pandas, float 64. In Daniel, what is the data type? String. In Pandas, it's not like a string 64. No. That data type is not available. Object data type. What data type, man? When I say object, 99.9% belongs to the string only. But there is a one small 0.1% gap that I can discuss later. Can I continue? Sir, door close. Close the door, please. Sorry. Why? Because నేను అసలు గట్టిగా మాట్లాడతాను, నా వాయిస్ బయటకు వెళ్ళిందంటే భయపడతారు. ఎవరై? యా. Good. Let's move on. Let me tell you. I would like to give one small example. Let me hold the session for 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 2 minutes enough. Hold the session for 2 minutes actually. For what exactly, sir? 2 minutes. This discussion is especially for who are all neglecting, right?
Daily practice.
Python practice. What practice, man? Python practice. Python is very, very important actually. In anybody of your career, are you neglecting the Python? Are you taking light actually? Hey, I already know Python, it's okay. Let us understand and advance the topic actually. No, you will get an answer for next 2 minutes actually. Are you ready, sir? Good. Let's move on. Please listen carefully. Very carefully. Very careful. One day what happened, you know, sir? One day. Suddenly I got a mail in my company. I got a mail actually. I got a mail in my company. After reading that mail, I came across, let me tell you, my project manager and other project manager are friends. Or what exactly meant? Friends. Let me repeat again. Currently in my company I'm working, my project manager and other project manager both are best friends, like a mama relationship. Hi mama. They will talk like that actually. Then when I say other project manager, he belongs to the big data. Chappan sir, he belongs to big data. Big data in the sense, you know, data science is a different zone, big data is a different zone actually. But that other project manager, they got a AI projects. What projects they got? AI projects. But the whole team, other project whole team around some 17 members. Other project team members actually. Team, I can say 17 members, 16. It's okay. Number is not important in the question. Don't worry. 17 members actually. Then my manager, he told like, you know, hey Daniel, you know, we need your support. We need your support actually. Your support, like, you know, kindly give trainings to them. Kindly give what exactly, sir? Trainings to them actually. Though that too my manager is telling, who should accept? Then my manager knows my working, you know, so how I used to work actually. I told him, if I started giving training, I need to hold the current work actually. My manager told, that's okay. I will talk with the client actually. Why? Because, you know, if I hold for my task will be on an average 3 to 4 weeks, that is okay. For company it is not impact, but they got a $1 million project. So, you know, this project manager, they got a AI project actually. Till now, are you clear? Can I continue? Now here is the story. What happened, you know? Sir, cinema started. When I say cinema, tell me. Training started. What started? Training started actually. Training started. Okay. I hope you already know about my nature. I will start data science and AI training from what subject actually?
Python.
Come again? Python. From scratch. Oh, very good. I will start from scratch. Sir, first subject is what exactly? Python. I put a heading for Python and I'm delivering in such a way that, can I tell you? Their expression, can I tell you? Everyone disappointed actually. Let me tell you, everyone not satisfied. And even everybody is telling, we know Python. It's okay, Python is not important. I'm hearing these kind of words from them actually. Python is what exactly, sir? Not important. We already know Python. We already what exactly, sir? Know Python. No, these are all discussion. But, you know, only few members know. Then ignore Python. Ignore what exactly? Python. Which is I cannot tolerate actually. That is untolerable. Asal bharinchalen nenu Python gurinchi evarana maatladite. I will tell you why. Then all these team members, they inform to the manager actually. Which manager? Other project manager. Listen carefully. Other project manager. Then next day, project manager also joined. Project manager also joined actually. Manager also what exactly, sir? Joined actually. Then directly I started the session. Within the 5 minutes, he given one small trigger question actually, counter question. This is the counter question. Why? Because, you know, when it comes to manager, they never attack directly actually. They will go in a reverse way. So he wanted to make me to stop Python. I wanted to enter into the next topic actually. Then that manager asked one question. What is that question? You know, sir, such a beautiful question. One question he asked actually. What question, you know? Arey Daniel. We already having AI tools like a ChatGPT. Chappan sir, like a ChatGPT. You understand, I guess, actually. When it comes to ChatGPT, you can ask any program, it will give. Additional program you want, it will give. Written keyword program, it will give. DF keyword program, it will give actually. Then his question will be, hey, still do we need to learn Python? You know? Still, do we need to learn what exactly? Python. Still, do we need to learn Python? Did you understand his question? We already having AI tools. We can use ChatGPT in my project. What is wrong in that? You can skip Python and indirectly, he's supposed to ask directly, hey, ignore the Python, move to the next topic actually. Then I got angry. But first of all, I'm a professional. In company, we should never ever show your angry actually. Always be smile. I have another shadow also that I never show actually. Then I take in 20 seconds gap, sir. then it's the right time I should reply actually. How I replied, sir? That reply even I mesmerized actually. Wow, such a nice reply actually. Can I give that reply? Chapmandar em cheptana? Can I get actually? Good, let me tell you. Sarji, we already having calculators actually. Still, do we need to learn math? Did you understand? Imagine, I have a son. I already having calculator. Do I need to tell to my son, no need to learn math actually? Did you understand? Sir, you understand, I guess. My counter question. He asked a counter question. My question is a double counter question actually. Every team member, sir, we have a calculators. Man దగ్గర calculators ఉన్నాయి. That means, do we need to skip math actually? No, you should not skip. The whole team members, they got surprised actually. Oh, then that day onward session went very smooth actually. Till last today, no counter question. Now, if anybody is neglecting Python, if anybody is taking light about the Python, it's a kind of some cool warning for you. Don't neglect Python, sir. Don't neglect Python. Python is very, very important actually. Yeah, training also over. The whole training is also over actually. Everybody is working on AI. Now, slowly by slowly, we are connecting. They are telling, hey, Daniel, what you said is right. If you are good in Python, Chappan sir, if you are good in Python, total data science is easy. AI is easy actually. I am closing the discussion. Can I get a response from you? మీకు అర్థమైందా నా రిప్లై యాక్చువల్గా? సమ్టైమ్స్ ఐ నెవర్ రిప్లై డైరెక్ట్లీ, బట్ మై కౌంటర్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ గివ్ బెస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. నో ఫర్దర్ క్వశ్చన్స్, అలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్? వీఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ రియల్ టైమ్ సార్. గుడ్, ఎనీవే ఫైన్. నౌ Daniel, why this discussion? Don't neglect Python, sir. Python అస్సలు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. Do regular practice actually. That's what I wanted to tell. Back to the session. Where are we? Can I drink water in between? Yeah, I have covered this example, I guess. Come on, everybody look at my screen. Look at code, everybody. Look at the code. Can you tell me what is a series actually? Class. What is a whole len? Object creation. Oh, there is a, you are passing on value, like a positional argument actually. What argument, man? Positional argument, right? So seems to be backend, there is a constructor. Backend, there is a one parameter is a constructor. Chappan sir, one parameter is a constructor. Very nice, very nice. Print of, we are printing list and we are printing series data structure. Whenever you are printing the series, 3 outputs will get: data, index, data type. Chappan sir, data, index, data type. One more time. Data, perfect. Then I can move on. Here onwards, output you can see like this actually. Why? Because so typing output, it is taking little longer time. That's what I have taken snapshot actually. Material preparation is challenging task. Seriously, you don't know that pain. I used to prepare this material. Such a nice actually. Please enjoy our material. You will get to know clear picture. Okay? Yeah, move on. Oh, very good. Now Daniel, hold on. Can I create a series by using floating data? By using what data, sir? Floating data. 10.1. 20.2, 30.3, 40.4 actually. Yeah, good. You can even create. Let me just try to run this code actually. Yeah. Very nice. Very good, sir. What you are getting? Float. Data, index, data type. Talk with me. Data, index, data type. Here, even Pandas guy also following shortest notation. Instead of data type, they are telling D type actually. Nice. Let's take this. Move on. Daniel, can we take string data? Raju.
Rani.
After Raju, who is the next one, sir?
Rani. Jalaja.
The next one.
Jalaja.
Vani. Okay.
Jalaja.
The next one. Daniel actually. Come again. Chappan parle, sir.
Jalaja.
Okay. Good. Make a note on this one. What is a data type, man? Object data type. Yeah. That's what I already covered actually. Can you tell me what is a data type? Object. So very simple. You can create a series with integer data. You can create a series with float data, and even you can create series with what data? String. Let me tell you, Daniel, can I combine actually? Yeah, you can do that. A kind of some string values actually. Let me create a series with heterogeneous data. So heterogeneous data. When I say heterogeneous data, actually different values. What values, man? Are you ready? Are you ready? Quite interesting. Let me rerun the example. Come on, చెప్పండి. What is the first step, man? Import. చెప్పండి. Panda says PD equals to 1020, comma 1.23, 1.23 and 2.34, comma hello Raju and Rani. Raju and what exactly, sir? Rani. It's really very good. Let's move on. Now S equals to PD dot series. PD dot what, man? Series. Can I ask you a question? What is a series here? Class. One more time. Class. What is the whole line? Object creation. During object creation, something executes. Constructor. What is that? Constructor. Let me print A. Anyway, here onwards, you don't need to print A. Let me print. Yeah. Can you guess the data type? Data type guess chestara? Yeah. You will get object actually. You will get what exactly, man? Object means a string. Why? Because string having the nature, it can store integer data, float data, any data actually. Go back to the input and input, taking value at runtime, kind of some. Did you remember? Input is a predefined function. Always return type is what, Sarji? String. Here also same nature. That's what you can compare with the Python. Python to compare just make clarity also actually. Okay? Yeah. We done these are all. Next topic. Till now I have covered in such a way that so we have created a series with integer data, float data and string data actually. Now giving column to series actually. Giving a column name actually. Giving a column name to the series. First of all, I would like to tell one small point. What is that point? Sir, first of all, by default column name is not existing. Column name is not existing. By default ko column name undadu. Do you wanted to see that actually? Yeah, Daniel, please. Import Panda says PD equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now S equals to PD dot series. Now let me just try to print here. And can you help me? Yes, very good. Sir, here whenever you are printing the series, I already told 3 points actually. Only 3 outputs you will get. How many outputs, man? 3 outputs. First one data. Next one index. Next one data type. But no column name. No? Daniel, I wanted to give column name. Yeah, you can give actual. Column name. You can give column name by using keyword argument topic. What topic, sir? Keyword argument topic. Here the predefined keyword argument name is a name. What is a keyword argument name actually? Name actually. Good. Now let me just try to come here actually. Very simple. Just you can come here, comma. During object creation, kind of some what exactly I'm doing actually. Hold on. Oh, name exactly. Name equals to, let me provide Daniel. Let me provide what exactly? Daniel. So intentionally I'm giving Daniel, you can understand, right? Sir, whenever your data, index, data type, along with this one, we are going to get name of the column also. Now if I'm going to print 4 outputs, you are going to get. How many outputs? 4 outputs. Chapter first one, data. The next one, index. Next one, data type, column. We'll go with always order. Always 1, 2, 3, 4 all order lelte me gurtuntadi actually, right? But one small important point here. What is that point, sir? Column name you are expecting at the top. No. You are going to get at bottom actually. Daniel, why? During data frame I will cover. Are you cover? For sure I will cover actually. Let me repeat again. Whenever you are printing the series with column name it is going to print always at bottom location, but not top actually. But not top. Daniel, why? During data frame I will cover actually. Yeah. Everybody make a note. 4 outputs you are going to get. How many outputs, man? 4 output. First one, data, index, data type, column name. One more time. Data, index, data type, column name. Yeah, very good, sir. What is the column name here actually? Daniel. If you want, you can give as a marks. Anything you can give actually. First of all, are you clear, sir? Right. Now, you know what? This is called as a keyword argument topic actually. What topic, sir? What topic? Keyword argument. When it comes to a keyword argument, a long back in Python, functions part number 2. Functions part number 2. I hope page number 5 actually. There is a topic. Topic name is a keyword argument I covered. What is the topic name, sir? There are total types of arguments. There are total 4 types actually. Among that, the first one is positional argument, keyword argument, default argument, variable length argument. Yeah, right. These are all you should ever actually. Let's take this one. Here, name equals to Daniel. This is called as a keyword argument. Daniel, can you please give small revision about the keyword argument I can give? Can I give actually? Yamantara? Yeah, good. Let me give. Please be silent. Second time I am repeating. Please be silent. Sir, anything. So that's what I'm telling, right? So this name is the fixed here actually. This name we should not change. Why we should not change? You should know the keyword argument actually. Daniel, you can give anything. Daniel, you can give. Now I'm giving as a mocks. I'm giving as what exactly, sir? Mocks actually. That's still okay. That's still okay. Did you understand, man? Right. Keyword argument topic, I'm giving a small revision. Keyword argument topic gurinchi chinna revision istanu. I hope you should know by this time. You should know by this time. But anyway. Keyword argument topic when I covered. During functions I covered actually. The same topic you can apply in constructor also. Same topic you can apply in word subject, constructor also. DF Daniel. Function I'm creating. Right, please wake up actually. Print off here. The value is yeah. Very nice. Daniel, tell me, sir. 10. Such a beautiful topic. A long back, we spent really nice time actually. There are total 3 rules, but here only 2 rules you need to apply. Am I right? First one, you created a function, call a function. While calling the function, name should be matched. Rule number 1 is done. Rule number 2, if a function having parameter, you need to pass the value. That's it. That's what we made Python very easy. There are 3 rules gurtunchukunte. If you remember that 3 rules actually, you can close Python very simple actually. Good, sir. This is called as a positional argument topic. What topic, sir? Positional argument topic actually. Positional argument topic. Hey, Daniel, can I give A directly? Yeah. This is called as a keyword argument. What topic, sir? Instead of A, can I give here as a B actually? No. We should not give actually. We should not give. If you are giving, what is error, type error. That too, this description is important. Daniel got unexpected keyword argument. This sentence is important, sir. Can you read one more time? Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Good, hold on. Let's take this. Daniel, why you are highlighting this? Why I am highlighting, sir? నేను ఎందుకు హైలైట్ చేస్తున్నానో చెప్పమంటారా? మ్యాన్, ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ నేను హైలైట్ చేసే ప్రతి పాయింట్ కూడా చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. డోంట్ టేక్ లైట్ యాక్చువల్. టేక్ ద సేమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకున్నాను చూడండి. కెన్ ఐ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ ఎర్రర్ని? కెన్ ఐ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ వన్ మోర్ టైం? అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ కీవర్డ్. లెట్ మీ చేంజ్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్, లెట్ మీ గివ్ రాంగ్ నేమ్. Sir, that is a keyword argument like a A. Previously I have given B, you got error. Now instead of name, I am giving wrong name. Now just I have to see. Almost error similar unto chudandi. Hold on. Can you read this error? Unexpected keyword argument. Can you read this error also? Unexpected keyword argument. That's the beauty, sir. Adi beauty actually. నేర్చుకోవడం అంటే అలా నేర్చుకోవాలి. Did you understand how I interlink actually? అంటే ఫంక్షన్ టాపిక్ ని తీసుకొచ్చి సిరీస్ కి కనెక్ట్ చేయడం అంటే నాట్ ఏ జాబ్. We should be strong in that actual. Did you understand or not, sir? Right? So fine, then let's take this one. Conclusion of this story. Here the name parameter is fixed actually. Keyword argument name is fixed. If we change, Gone case in the sense will get error actual. అయిపోయినట్టే. We are good to go. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ మరియు క్లియర్, మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? చెప్పండి. స్లోలీ ఆఫ్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. హాలిడేస్కి వెళ్ళిన వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ వస్తున్నారు. కెన్ ఐ టెల్ యూ వన్ స్మాల్ సర్ప్రైజ్? యా, yesterday I got one message from one student actually. That message is I read but I didn't reply. Daniel, when is Diwali holidays? When is? I surprised sir. Why? Because you know, just a few days already Dasara holidays done actually. That guy is asking Diwali holidays. I didn't reply. I will reply. I will ask, I will see you. Sir, kalodam sir అని అడుగుతాను. Okay, students are very funny man. Okay, cool. Move on. Hey, just I'm kidding. Don't be serious. Where are we? Can we have a small recap? చూడండి సార్. Everybody look at my screen. Important as are keywords in Python. Everybody look at my screen. Series is a class. The whole line is object creation. A is called as a positional argument. What argument? Name equals to marks. Keyword argument. What is that? Yeah, this one still if you want you can bring to the next line. You can still write like this also. This is the best practice. దీన్ని మీరు ఎలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Like did you remember list comprehension actually? అలా కోడ్ని ఎలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. స్టార్టింగ్ parenthesis here, close here actually. In between you can write like this also. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Nothing is wrong. No use for this sir. No, so creating series. Daniel, please move on. We have a mini discussions. We have a much discussion actually. Okay? Yeah. Please, you guys need to walk through this. Now I have one small question. Can I change this name actually? No. We'll get error as a unexpected keyword argument. Chapter madam? Unexpected keyword argument. Very nice. Move on. Padanni munduku. Oh, very good, sir. So seems to be all right. Let me just try to create this one also. Hey Daniel, do one thing. These are all kind of some student names. The first one will be Daniel. The next one will be Samuel. The next one is Paul. That's it. Now I would like to make it names. Daniel, Samuel, Gabriel. It's okay. Let me just try to write these are all. Ayyo. Perfect. Names. Daniel, what names actually? Can I make it like a students actually? That's still okay. Students. You'll get an idea. Perfect, sir. You understand, I guess. Just I will not respond anything. Just kindly please answer. These are all topics you should tell actually. What it is? Keyword. This one also keyword. This is whole line is very nice. What is this topic? You should recognize like that. Ala gurtinchali. That's what you need to understand. Meeku ardhaina sir? Yeah. Move on please. Daniel, please move on. Okay, quickly I can move on. Oh, this is great topic sir. Such a nice topic actually. Chudani, get ready for this. Get ready for this. Till now, I have created a series data structure with just matter of 4 values or 5 values. Daniel, is it possible? Can we create a series data structure with 100 values, 1000 values, 10,000 values? Yes, we can create actually. Are you ready? Let me just try to create. First of all, import pandas as PD. Pandas as what such PD r equals to range. Did you remember range actually?
Yes, sir.
Range data type gurtunda meeku?
Yes,
Yeah, function. You know, range data type we can create by using range function. What function sir? Range. I would like to start from 100. I mean 100 is countable. 100 is including actually.
Yeah.
Let me create a till 201 actually.
Oh,
Let me create otherwise till 200. That's still okay. Otherwise 201. That's still okay. You can take it actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Right? So now, whenever you are printing this one, what happen? You know, s equals to pd dot series of pd dot what exactly mean? Series of. Chapani. R. Very nice, sir. Can I ask a question? Total how many values, man? Range starting from 100, closing it at 200 actually. Closing it what exactly, man? Starting from 100, let's taking 200. 100 is countable. Otherwise, if you want, let me take only 200 actually. Okay. Let me just try to print what exactly, sir. Yes. Are you ready? There is a dot, dot, dot. Bottom 5 values, it will be displayed actually. Then total only it will be displayed 10 values. How many values, man? 10 values. Look at my screen. Wow. Daniel, this is seriously very nice actually. మీరు చూడండి ఎలా అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుందో. రైట్, డెనియల్ ఫస్ట్ టాప్ 10 వాల్యూ 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. In our child world we followed something. If it is the same notation actually, dot dot dot. Did you remember? Yeah, even pandas also following. If this dot 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 indicates to backend there is a data. Backend there is a. That's what you need to be understand. By default, pandas is displaying. If it is a more value, top 5 values it is displaying. And bottom 5 values it is displaying, data type it is displaying. Sir, one great added advantage. What is that advantage? You don't need to see by looking at this one, data is invisible. How I can count the data actually? No. You don't need to be worried. It is telling the total number of values. How many values? Such a nice man. Such a nice actual. Meeku ardhaindi sir? Yeah. Can I ask one question? No question adugumantara? Daniel, you can ask. In my code, what is the class name? Series. What is my object name? Yes. How many functions? I will cry. ఎవరెవరైతే ఒకటని చెప్తున్నారో I will cry. 2 functions. Are you sure? చెప్పండి. Range, print. Like that you need to recognize, man. Learning code means you need to recognize like this. ఇలా మీరు recognize చేయాలి. Nice. I feel so happy. 100 values. Beautiful. Daniel, can I create with 2000, sir? Anything is fine. Me istam. You can give actually. Up to you. You can give. Are you clear, sir? Daniel, can I give 20,000? That's what I'm telling. Up to you actually. That's a beauty. Daniel, can I give? No, I'm not giving. You can give any number. Any number actually. Creating a series with huge numbers. You can create. Oh, what I'm doing, I'm taking the range and I'm converting into list and I'm passing. Anything is fine. Directly me range తీసుకోవచ్చు, లిస్ట్ కింద కన్వర్ట్ చేసి తీసుకుంటారా? That's still okay. Let me just try to provide 200, convert into list actually. A equals to list of or yeah, that's what you already know actually. Then here what you can provide? Yes, still same output such. Then let me ask you how many functions. Ikkada any functions ఉన్నాయో చెప్పండి. One more time. 3. Range, list, print. One more time. Sir, there is a major difference. Ikkada చాలా major difference ఉంది చూడండి. Function calling, we are assigning into variable, return type in the backend. Function calling, we are assigning into variable, return type is the backend. Do you think this is the return type actually? No, object creation. What creation? Such a beautiful topic actually. మీకు ఇక్కడ హైలైట్ చేయమంటే హైలైట్ చేస్తాను. Sir, this is including function plus return. Function plus return. Object creation. Daniel, what is function plus return before independence? అంటే స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చే ముందు చెప్పాను ఆ టాపిక్. Am I right or not, sir? Function plus return topic actually. Object creation. If you spend some time, book తీస్తే, if you open the laptop, then you will understand actually. Important points. ఏం చేశారు సార్ దసరా టైంలో? ఏం చేశారు? తినడం పడుకోవడమేనా? ఈటింగ్ అండ్ స్లీపింగ్? జస్ట్ ఐమ్ కిడింగ్. I done same thing. In my company, I got a R&D task actually. A research and development task I got it. Related to the AI models with quantum computing. That's what I done last 1 week. AI is booming, sir, everywhere. It's okay. Please move on. Where are we? create a series. Man, creating a series from array, selecting a single column, upcoming topic actual. Upcoming topic, as of now you can skip this one. Just skipping, not ignoring actually. Just as of now, I will come here and I will talk later. Please be silent, sir. Creating a series by what exactly, sir? Column from the data. If you select a single column from the data frame, then it is written what, Saji? Series, please. This point we will discuss during data frame topic. And so thanks for what, sir? Understanding. Let's move on. Yeah, there is important topic. The topic name is called as a index. What is the topic name? 99%. Same thing like a Python index topic. But there is a 1% difference. That is important interview question. Did you remember list data structure? Yeah, list having the index. Here series also having index actually. Then what is the difference? There is a great difference actually. There is one point actually. Let me highlight that point. A point cover చేస్తాను చూడండి. What is index? Index means the position of value where it stores. Index means what, Saji? Position of value where it stores actually. The index is the core feature in Pandas. The index is what, Saji? It's a core feature, important feature we are using in data science application. By default, index starts from, by default, index is assigned to what exactly, man? Every value. Imagine you have created a series. When I say series, it is having the data. Sir, every value, it will be mapped with index. Prati value code index untadi. Every value, index is assigned to the every value. From the output, the leftmost column, a column and a terminology use cheyakudu. But anyway, for your better understanding, I am telling, whenever you are creating a series, this is the leftmost column is called as index. Leftmost column is called as index actual. The generic name for index is also called as a axis. Axis kuda meer anochu. What we can call actually? Axis. I'm sorry. Next, move on. The default value for index is integer. The default value for index is what, Saji? Integer. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. We know, sir. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is important. That's what 1% difference with the Python and series actual. Python and series. Read that point, everybody. Based on requirement, we can... Oh, quite interesting. Based on requirement, if you want, you can change the index. You can change what, Saji? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Let me show you example. Meeku oka ardham avutundi. Are you clear, sir? Let me show that example. Example చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. I mean to say, in Python, we already covered this. We already covered this actually. Covered this. What we covered, Time ఎంత అయింది? Few guys are looking at the time. Time is 10:31, sir. చూడండి.
All the best for your career.
Yeah. Let me print A. Are you feeling boring?
No.
No option. You have to listen actually. Good.
Wow.
Anyway, list is created. Sir, can I ask a question? Can I change this value? Yeah, we can. How to change actually? A of 0. Yeah, what exactly mean? 0 as 99. Yeah, good. Now in Python, what I covered, Sir, if you want, you can change the data. If you want, you can change. But changing index, not possible actual. But in series, it is possible. That's what you need to be understand. That's what you need to be understand actually. Good. So let me take this example. Now I will tell you. We are changing the value, but not index. But not what, Sarji? Index actually. But in series, let me change the index. In Pandas, we can customize index. We can customize what, Sarji? Index actually. I mean to say, so we can give, yeah, exactly. That is a valid point. All right. Let me just try to create actually, import Pandas as PD. Please be regular. Andaru, everybody please be regular to the session. Don't miss not even a single session. Okko session kuda miss avvuddu. If you are missing one session, that connectivity is too difficult. A connection anedi it will be broken. Malli reconnect cheyadaniki chaala time padutundi. But I'm in my flow. Nenu na flow lo untanu. Every day I will consider you already attended yesterday's session, then I will continue actual. But if I consider you didn't attend yesterday's session, that is too painful for me. నాకు చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. Right? Are you clear, sir? If it is some personal emergency, that's still okay, I will accept. I never say anything. But just for fun, don't miss the session. Just for fun. Right? Cinema release ayindani session manottu. Right? Movie session. Cinema ne
ప్యాకెట్
session. Right? PD.series. Yeah, good. Let me just try to print this. Sir, I have a question. Can you tell me the default index? Index ఎంతో చెప్తారా? అయ్యో చెప్పండి సార్.
0 1 2 3.
0 1 2 3. Now our main goal will be, Daniel, I don't like that index. Can I change that index? You can change. You can change actually, right? Now let me tell you how to change actually. Now first of all, listen carefully. How many index values would you have? 4 values.